Okay, fine, do it. Say it.
I don't want to say it. I just said it. It's already on camera.
You weren't on camera. You couldn't see your face. And also, you need to talk. You have to talk next to my mic. Question: are you ready to nail your Instagram strategy for your beauty biz? I get a lot of questions from beauty-based businesses, from nail salons to med spas to microblading services. Elise, how do I grow on Instagram so that I actually get leads and clients back to my business? If this is you, if you are in the beauty and aesthetics niche and you want to use Instagram to actually get more clients back to your business, then you're in the right place, because that's exactly what I'm going to cover in today's video. And along the way, I'm going to share with you what one of my more successful students in this space, Dr. Amir, who runs a medical aesthetics clinic, I'm going to share with you the steps and strategies that he's taken to generate over $100,000 from Instagram in customer lifetime value. So if you want that for your business, keep watching. The first lesson we learned from Dr. Amir and other successful students of mine is this: know who your ideal client is and call them out in your bio. For example, Dr. Amir's name field says Botox Toronto because that's who he wants to attract to his profile, people who are interested in getting Botox in Toronto. Keisha of Peach Fuzz Laser includes the words Brooklyn Laser Hair Removal in her name field. Take a look at the before and after of Keisha's Instagram account. And then take note of her current bio. In the bio area, she really emphasizes what makes her clinic unique and different. And then, of course, there's a really solid call to action for the viewer to take action. So again, know who it is that you want to attract, especially if you're a location-based business. You really want to have your city or location in your name field, and then call them out in your name field and in your bio. The second lesson we learned from our successful students in the beauty niche is this: re-engage your existing clients with the content that you produce for your Instagram. Don't just use your Instagram to attract new leads to your business. Include some content that shouts out your current clients and reminds them of why they might want to come back to you for more services. This is really key because Instagram is a relationship-based platform. And yeah, you can use it to nurture existing relationships. Even a client who used your services 6 months ago, you still want them to be following you and keeping on top of your content because they're probably going to need your services once again in the near future. With Dr. Amir's content, he really focuses on educational and entertaining content. He doesn't want to leave his current customer base out of the conversation, so he also shares content that kind of piques their curiosity. The third lesson we learned from our students to growing in the beauty niche is probably one you've heard before, but it's really important. It's to be consistent. The Instagram algorithm and platform prefers that you show up and create and publish content for your account on a consistent basis. This is what Peach Fuzz Laser does really well. Check out their account and their growth from May of 2020 all the way to March of 2021. With Dr. Amir, he knows that he doesn't have time to create content every single day, so he sticks to what he can be consistent at, and his magic number is 3. 3 posts a week, and that's what he does, and that's what works for his account. So when it comes to being consistent and nailing your content strategy, here are a few tips. Before and afters. This type of content is golden for your niche. Check out Art Med Guelph and how they show this transformation that they've given to one of their clients. Show your face on camera, especially if people are working directly with you for your services. Check out how Jessie does it, who is a nail art instructor.
Okay, good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I just wanted to do a quick video. We're really excited. We're continuing our soft gel launch today all around the world. So soft gel tips, if you haven't heard about it, go check out Gel with Professionals page.
Instagram stories, use them. They are the perfect tool to keep your current audience engaged. Focus on sharing stories that really boost your likability and your trust as a service provider in the beauty niche. Peach Fuzz Laser is amazing at doing this. They've really nailed the consistent content strategy, including their stories. For your story strategy to really work, you do want to have somewhat of a sales funnel or customer journey in place. That way you're showing up with intention with your stories and you know where you want your viewer to go to next. So for more on this topic, check out this video right here where I cover how to use Instagram as a sales funnel, because believe me, it's a powerful sales tool. Last but not least, Reels. Create them, make them, put them out there as soon as you can. Peach Fuzz Laser made a really great reel on showing their booking process. So it could be as simple as that. It doesn't have to be mind-blowing content. It could just be taking people behind the scenes and showing them what it's like to sign up for your services. When it comes to Reels for your business, I have so much more on this topic. So take a look at some of the topics I cover, and I will leave a few links right below this video. There you have it, the best tips from Dr. Amir and Keisha, who are successfully growing their Instagram accounts to grow their client-based businesses. Now for more on this topic, I have something for you that I think you're really going to like, especially if you're ready to dive into Reels or TikTok for your business. It's called Videos Vault. Videos Vault is 300 ideas that I've already brainstormed for you to grow your business through short form videos. Especially since you're in the beauty industry, which is so visual, I think you're gonna want to jump on camera immediately. So for the 300 ideas that you get inside of Videos Vault, head to videosvault.co, find all the information you need there, and of course, I'll leave the link right below this video. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video.
We're all so used to this lovely presentation format, but if you're like me, you like a little variety. So can you help me convince Elise to do more of these videos in different environments, like beautiful outside? Like or comment below if you agree with me. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you're like me and want to see pretty things while you get great information in environments like this, maybe leave a little comment below encouraging Elise to film out here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching today's video on how to use Instagram to grow your business in the beauty niche. If you like this training, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss any future trainings just like this one.